Page 108, lesson 12 homework. Jordan, what do you got for matches there? A goes to 4, B
1, and C goes to 3, and D goes to 2.
Very good. Question number 2, which equation helps you find the x-intercepts? Well, that would be the factored one, because I can tell the x-intercepts are -2 and -3. Which one helps you find the y-intercept? That would be the standard form. From right there, you can see it is 0, 6. Question number 3. Graph these. This one is the same as the parent, just shifted down 4. So A would look the same, just down 4. B is shifted up 5, and the negative flips it over. Up 5, so not 8, it should be at 5. My fault, right there. And flipped over. That would be B. Question number 4. Select all of them that have a y-intercept with a positive y coordinate. That means this last number in standard form is positive. Okay, well, definitely not that one. This one is 0, so not that one. That's not positive or negative. This one, if you write it out twice and put it in standard form, the last term is going to be -1 times -1, which is +1. That's a positive number. D is negative, so not that one. What's +1 times +2? So that one will be positive as well. C and E. Question number 5. Describe how the graph is shifted. Well, it looks like it is shifted 2 to the right. And would you say 3 up?
Yeah.
So now if we write an equation for the function. So remember, left and right is the opposite inside the brackets, so it is shifted 2 to the right, so it's a -2. And the outside is just up 3. Question number 6, what can you say about the value of B? Because it's going down. Not negative.
Number is less than 1.
Less than 1. Between 0 and 1. Yes, less than 1 is the key. Between 0 and 1. Question 7. What are the x-intercepts? That you should be able to get. -1 and -5. What is the x-coordinate of the vertex? So what's halfway between -5 and -1? -3. It does say, well, how do you know? Well, -1 plus -5 is -6 and divided by 2. Find the y-coordinate of the vertex. So because the x-coordinate is -3, I just got to plug it back into the equation. -3 plus 1. Well, that's -2. -3 plus 5. That's +2. -2 times 2 is -4. So that means your vertex is -3, -4. Quick sketch. -1 and -5 are your x-intercepts. And now you know the vertex is at -3, -4. Then just connect them. It's a real rough sketch there. Questions 8, x-intercepts. What makes the parentheses 0? 3 and 5. Vertex. What's in between 3 and 5? 4, that's your x-intercept, or your x value of your vertex. Plug it back in. 4 minus 5 is negative 1. 4 minus 3, 1. Multiply together to get the y-coordinate of your vertex. What is your y-intercept? That would be the last number, remember? Multiply those together. 15. Next one, your zeros. What makes it 0? Well, that one would be 0, of course. 0 times 8, or 2. This one would be 8. What's between 0 and 8? 4. That's your x value of your vertex. Plugging it back in again. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 minus 4 is 2. 8 minus 4 is not 2. 8 minus 4 is 4. So 8 times 4?
32.
32. What is the y-intercept? Again, it's factored form, so let's multiply it out. 2x times 8. 2x times negative x. Write it in correct form. What's my last number? There's nothing there. So my y-intercept is just 0. Question number 9. Was one stock a better investment than the other? One increased by 20, the other one decreased by 20. Second year, A increased by, or decreased by 20, B increased by 20. Why no?
Because they're equal.
Yeah, it says you're putting equal amounts in, and you're doing the exact same thing. So equal amounts doing the same thing to them will not change your answer.